Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic AI agents. So let's get started. In the React Reason plus Act prompting framework, what is the primary purpose of the thought step before taking an action? The correct answer is option B, to allow the model to induce, track, and update action plans while handling exceptions. Which architectural component is central to the reflection framework to improve agent performance over multiple iterations? The correct answer is option C, a self-reflection loop where the agent evaluates its own past trajectory for errors. In LangGraph, how does the framework primarily handle the state of an autonomous agent compared to a standard linear chain? The correct answer is option B. It allows for cyclic graphs where state can be updated and passed back to previous nodes. What is a tool definition or function schema primarily used for in LLM tool calling workflows? The correct answer is option B, to describe the tool's purpose and required JSON parameters so the LLM knows how to invoke it. In a multi-agent system, MAS, what does agent delegation refer to? The correct answer is option B, the process of one agent assigning a subtask to another specialized agent. Which of the following is a major risk associated with indirect prompt injection in autonomous agent workflows? The correct answer is option B. The agent might process malicious instructions hidden in external data, like a website it browses. In the context of Baby AGI, what is the role of the task prioritization agent? The correct answer is option B, to reorder the task list based on the current objective and completed results. What is the primary benefit of using a plan and execute pattern over a standard zero-shot agent pattern? The correct answer is option B. It reduces the likelihood of the agent getting stuck in a loop by decoupling planning from execution. In agentic workflows, grounding refers to which process? The correct answer is option A, connecting the LLM's reasoning to real-world data or specific documents to reduce hallucination. When an agent uses short-term memory in a framework like AutoGPT, where is this data typically stored? The correct answer is option B, in the context window of the current conversation/prompt. Which CrewAI concept allows agents to work together in a predefined order or a manager-led hierarchy? The correct answer is option B, the process, sequential, hierarchical. What does the term agentic drift describe in long-running autonomous workflows? The correct answer is option B, the tendency of an agent to deviate from the original goal as the conversation history grows. Why is human-in-the-loop (HITL) critical for high-stakes agentic workflows? The correct answer is option B, to provide a manual checkpoint for approval before the agent takes irreversible actions. In LLM function calling, what should the system do if the LLM provides a tool call with invalid JSON arguments? The correct answer is option B, pass the error message back to the LLM and ask it to correct the formatting. Which of these is a key difference between a search tool and a retrieval (RAG) tool in an agentic workflow? The correct answer is option B. Search tools query the live web. RG tools query a specific private vector database. What is the action space of an LLM agent? The correct answer is option B. The set of all possible tools and functions the agent is allowed to call. In the critic agent pattern, what is the critic's primary responsibility? The correct answer is option B. To provide feedback or identify flaws in another agent's output. What is the purpose of parallel tool calling in modern LLM APIs? The correct answer is option A. To allow the agent to call multiple tools in a single turn, reducing latency. In the context of autonomous agents, what is recursive step limiting used for? The correct answer is option A. To prevent the agent from entering an infinite loop and consuming excessive tokens/costs. Which of the following best describes stateful agentic workflows? The correct answer is option B. Workflows where the history and variables are preserved across multiple turns of execution. What does LLM-as-a-Judge refer to in agent evaluation? The correct answer is option B. Using a highly capable LLM like GPT-4 to score the performance of another agent. In an orchestrator worker pattern, what is the role of the orchestrator? The correct answer is option B. To break down a complex goal into tasks and coordinate worker agents to solve them. What is episodic memory in the context of an autonomous agent? The correct answer is option B. A record of specific past experiences and actions taken by the agent in previous steps. Which of these is a common stop condition for an autonomous agent loop? The correct answer is option D. All of the above. When implementing self-correction, why might an agent fail despite multiple loops? The correct answer is option A. The critic feedback is too vague, or the model lacks the reasoning to fix the error. What is the system prompt's role in defining an agent's persona? The correct answer is option B. It sets the foundational rules, constraints, and identity for the agent's behavior. In plan and solve prompting, what is the solve phase responsible for? The correct answer is option B, executing the specific steps outlined in the plan to reach the final answer. How does long-term memory typically differ from short-term memory in agent frameworks like MCQ? The correct answer is option A. Long-term memory is stored in an external database/vector store. Short-term is in the context window. What happens if an agent's context window is exceeded during a long autonomous workflow? The correct answer is option B. The earliest parts of the conversation/history are lost, potentially causing the agent to forget its goal. Which tool use strategy involves the LLM generating a thought, then a tool call, and then waiting for the tool output before continuing? The correct answer is option B, the React loop. Thank you for watching.